Here we have a problem on angles. Okay, let's go to the question. So there is a figure given here. In the figure above, M and N are parallel. So there is a lines M and N are parallel. If A equals to 50 and B equals to 1 and 20, what is the value of C? So here the value of A is given, that is 50. Then the angle measure over here is 50 degree. And B is 1 and 20. That is the angle measure over here is 1 and 20 degree. And we have to find the value of C. Okay, here the angle measure here, the angle measure here are equal. So because these two angle measures are vertically opposite angles, already we know that the measure of this angle is 50 degree. Then the measure of this angle also must be 50 degree because these two angles are vertically opposite angles. And here, so the angle measure here is a straight angle, and the measure of a straight angle is 180 degree. That is the angle on a straight line, 180 degree. So in this 180 degree angle measure, this part is 120 degree. So what is this part? So that is 180 negative this angle, 180 negative 120 is 60 degree. So the measure of this angle is 60 degree. So when I add 120 and 60, I'm getting 180. That's a measure of angle on this straight line. Okay, so this one and this one and this one. These are the three interior angles of this triangle. Already we know that, so the three interior angles of a triangle must add up to 180 degree. That is C positive 60 degree, C degree, positive 60 degree, positive 50 degree. So these are the three interior angles of a triangle. These three angles must add up to 180 degree. Okay, we can write C, and when I combine the 60 and 50, it will be 1 and 10. And we have 1 and 80 on the right side. So to solve for C, I have to get rid of this positive 1 and 10. So for that, I have to subtract 1 and 10 from both sides. So when I do so, positive 1 and 10, negative 1 and 10 will cancel out. So 1 and 80, negative 1 and 10 will become 70. So the value of C is 70. The correct answer choice for this question is option C.